Learn English naturally, one conversation at a time.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Easy English Conversations. I'm Olivia.
And I'm Jacob. Hi, friends.
How are you today, Jacob?
I'm doing great, Olivia. I'm excited about today's topic.
Me too. Today, we're talking about something really special. We're talking about reading children's books.
Yes, children's books, books for kids.
Now, you might be thinking, wait, I'm an adult. Why should I read children's books?
That's a great question. And today, we'll explain why children's books are actually a superpower for learning English.
That's right, a superpower, something very, very helpful.
Before we start, if you're enjoying this podcast, please like and subscribe. It really helps us.
Yes, and leave a comment too. We love hearing from you.
Okay, Olivia, let's dive in.
Let's go.
So, Olivia, let me ask you something. When you were learning a new language, what did you do when you saw a new word?
Oh, I remember. I always stopped reading, I grabbed my dictionary, I translated the word to my language.
Exactly. Most people do this. They translate every word.
But here's the problem. When you translate everything, you're not thinking in English. You're thinking in your own language.
Right. Your brain is working in two languages at the same time. It's slow.
It's like, imagine you're building a house, but every time you pick up a brick, you have to ask someone, what is this in my language?
That would take forever.
Exactly. It would take forever, and you would get tired.
So, what's the solution? How can we think in English without translating?
Great question, Jacob. The answer is read children's books.
Children's books, books for kids, like The Very Hungry Caterpillar or Goodnight Moon.
Yes, these books are simple. They have pictures and they use easy words.
And here's the magic part. When you read a children's book, you can guess the meaning of new words without a dictionary.
Exactly. The pictures help you understand. This is your superpower.
Okay, Olivia, let's show our listeners an example. Imagine you're reading a children's book.
Good idea. Let's do it together.
The page says, "The cat sits on the sofa."
Now, maybe you don't know the word sofa,
Right, you see the word sofa and you think, what is sofa?
but then you look at the picture. In the picture, there's a cat, and the cat is sitting on a big, soft chair.
Ah, so you think maybe sofa means a big soft chair.
Exactly. You guessed it. You use the picture to understand the word.
And here's the important part. You didn't translate, you didn't open a dictionary, you just guessed.
That's right. And when you guess from pictures, your brain makes a connection between the English word and the real thing.
Not between the English word and your language, between the English word and the picture in your mind.
Yes, this is thinking in English. This is the goal.
Let me try another example. Imagine the book says, "The bird flies in the sky."
And in the picture, you see a bird with wings. It's up high above the trees.
So you think flies means to move in the air with wings.
Perfect. You guessed it again.
This is fun. I feel like a detective.
Yes, reading is like solving a puzzle, and children's books make it easy.
So, Olivia, why does this work so well with children's books?
Great question. Let me explain 3 reasons.
Okay, I'm listening.
Reason number 1, children's books use simple words. Words like cat, dog, sit, run, happy.
Right, these are basic words, A1 and A2 level words.
Exactly. So you're not overwhelmed. You're not confused.
What's reason number 2?
Reason number 2, children's books have lots of pictures. Every page has a colorful picture.
And pictures are like clues. They help you understand without translating.
Yes, pictures are visual. They go directly to your brain. You see the picture, you understand the meaning.
I love that. What's reason number 3?
Reason number 3, children's books repeat words. The same words appear many times.
Oh, that's important. Repetition helps you remember.
Exactly. When you see a word 10 times, 20 times, you start to remember it naturally.
So children's books are simple, visual, and repetitive.
That's right. They're perfect for language learners.
Now I want to go to the library and read some children's books.
You should. It's really helpful.
Okay, let's talk about how our listeners can start doing this.
All right, everyone. Let's give you some practical tips. How can you start reading children's books today?
Tip number 1, go to your local library.
Yes, libraries are free, and they have lots of children's books.
Just walk to the children's section, pick up a few books, sit down, and read.
Don't be shy. It's okay to read children's books as an adult.
Exactly. You're learning. That's smart, not silly.
Tip number 2, start with very simple books.
Books with 1 or 2 sentences per page, like Brown Bear, What Do You See?
Or Goodnight Moon. These books have very easy words.
And lots of pictures.
Right. Don't start with a difficult book. Start small.
Tip number 3, don't use a dictionary.
This is really important. When you see a new word, don't stop, don't translate.
Just look at the picture. Try to guess the meaning.
It's okay if you're not 100% sure. Guessing is part of the learning process.
Exactly. Your brain is working. Your brain is thinking in English.
Tip number 4, read the same book many times.
Yes, repetition is your friend.
The first time you read a book, maybe you understand 60%. That's okay.
The second time, you understand 70%. The third time, 80%.
Every time you read, you understand more, and you remember more.
And tip number 5, read out loud.
This helps with pronunciation. You hear the words, you practice speaking.
Even if you're alone, read out loud. It's very helpful.
These 5 tips will change your English learning, I promise.
Me too. This is powerful stuff.
All right, Jacob, let's wrap up today's episode.
Sounds good. Let's review what we talked about.
Today, we talked about why reading children's books is a superpower for learning English.
Children's books help you stop translating and start thinking in English.
They use simple words, lots of pictures, and repetition.
When you read children's books, you guess the meaning of new words from the pictures.
This creates a direct connection in your brain. English word to picture to meaning.
Not English word to your language to meaning. That's slower.
Right, so our 5 tips were:
1, go to the library.
2, start with very simple books.
3, don't use a dictionary.
4, read the same book many times.
5, read out loud.
These tips will help you think in English. They will help you learn faster.
And they're fun. Reading children's books is actually enjoyable.
Absolutely. You can read stories about animals, adventures, friendship.
There are so many great children's books out there.
Now, before we go, we have a question for you.
Yes, a community question. We want to hear from you.
Here's the question. What was your favorite book when you were a child?
What book did you love as a kid? Leave a comment and tell us.
We would love to know. Maybe we can read that book in English.
Great idea. Let's learn together.
Thank you so much for listening today, everyone.
You're doing an amazing job. Keep practicing, keep learning.
Remember, every day you're getting better at English.
That's right. You're improving already.
If you enjoyed this episode, please like and subscribe.
And share this podcast with a friend who's learning English.
We'll see you next time on Easy English Conversations.
Bye, everyone.
Bye. Keep reading, keep learning, and think in English.